Hello students, followers, friends. Students, if you want to draw, if you want to learn something to draw, if you want to be an artist, if you want to have a passion to be an artist in your future, then it's not very difficult job to do so. I have been teaching for a long time and I know how to teach well. I'll be giving you some tips how to start your art journey. If you want to be a good artist, you have to follow some instructions. When you will be able to follow the instructions, then that will be very easy for you to achieve your goal. What are the instructions? What is your ultimate goal? Your goal is you want to paint something, you want to paint myself, you want to paint a still life, you want to paint a landscape, whatever. You have to start your journey from a pencil and a paper, a sketchbook, a pencil and a sketchbook. The sketchbook size must be 12 and 18 inches. I call that sketchbook A3 size, and that is very comprehensive size for beginners. If you are a beginner in art, you have to buy A3 size sketchbook. After buying the sketchbook, you have to sit in front of an object. What is object? If someone asks me what object is, so I'll be saying a thing that is being drawn by you, that is object. If you want to paint, if you want to draw myself, if you want to draw my portrait, I am sitting in front of you, I would be called a subject, object. The subject should be in front of you. The subject's distance from you must be 4 feet. It's an average distance from the object. An object must be still life. For beginners, it is my instructions. If you want to be a good artist, you have to start your journey from a pencil, have a A3 size sketchbook, a board in the lap, and an object in front of you. Object's distance should be 4 feet. Then you just have to close one eye and just have to measure the object like this. Close your eye and measure the object. What is the size of that object? If I want to object this camera and this is of this size, like close your left eye and just start measuring the object. If you don't want to, because measurement is a different chapter, it will take time and I have to make another video on the measurement. So this time I will not be going to teaching the measurement method, because that very comprehensive chapter I'll be teaching in another video. So now I will just instruct you to draw that object freely. You don't have to use any method. You have to put the board in your lap and on sketchbook on the board, and you just start drawing on the board. This is the first step of the drawing to be an artist. The subject should be in a round shape, like apple, like a pot in a round shape. That shouldn't be a complicated dimension. That should be in a round shape. The subject should be drawn in your sketchbook. Right after that, you have to repeat this method by changing the object. When you will be satisfying by seeing the object, that the object is perfectly fine, and you want to draw something more, then change the object. Remember one thing, you don't need to apply shades on the object until you draw perfectly. first learn to draw. When your drawing would be fantastic, then I will be teaching you how to give the shades. So I am just going to make some instructional series series of videos. I'll be making some videos on how to draw, then I'll be uploading in media, YouTube and all the media where you can easily see, watch how I draw, how I make images. Then because I don't want this talent to be stuck only in my institute, everyone should be learning, everyone having the right to learn. Everyone is an artist. We have to find where that art should be, where is a good artist. It is your first lesson, students. Have a sketchbook, have a board, have an object in front of you 5 feet away, then start drawing without thinking. And this will be a great task for you. If you do this, if you will have done this, then you just comment in the video that Adil, I have done this. So then I'll be checking that out, and then I'll be letting you know what to do next. So you just have to wait for the next video what I will be doing. Thank you so much for being with me.